Good morning, friends. It's Good Friday, and I especially ask Spirit to give us a reading that may resonate with you. They want you to know you must dream your world into being. You are stepping into a new experience. You must keep your eye on the big picture and leave the details to others. You do have a genuine concern for others, especially those that have got problems with money. You're going to be in a position of authority over your life, and you must think before you judge. They say you need to think on your feet. There has been temporary problems that caused chaos and fighting, but it's time to forgive yourself and forgive others. It's time to let go of anger and blame, depression, anxiety, and worries. They say it's a chance. You must see the light within yourself and everyone else, and this will give you a chance to do something amazing. They say you're going to have success with good plans and hard work. Now is your lucky time. You're aligning with the abundant universe, and you trusting divine timing. You connecting to peace and harmony, and they do want you to control your anger, otherwise you will be sorry. You're receiving a lot of spiritual help, love and help, and they say what you're asking for will happen very soon in a happy way. Justice is coming to you. Were you feeling tired down and frustrated? You need to stand up for yourself, know your own worth, and be careful of self delusion. You will receive a gift. They say the change that you are going through is a positive change. And Archangel Raphael wants you to embrace your inner child and rekindle old relationships. Release all anger. Don't give power to negative words. And they want you to know that magic flows where intentions go. So be optimistic and positive for your future. The world awaits you. Have a lovely day, everybody. I love you all.